So, hello everybody. Today we're talking to Dr. Irene Horst-Bruinsma, who is telling us about bimekizumab and uveitis, an interesting twist in the uveitis program. Can you just tell us a little bit about this poster, please?
Well, actually, these are the 3-year data of the recurrence rate of uveitis. And it's important to know that in the placebo-controlled trials, you can see that the recurrence rate of uveitis is 15.4, which is pretty high. And we have shown that during treatment with bimekizumab, which is an IL-17A and F blocker, we saw a dramatic reduction in recurrence rate. So in PsA, it's 1.2 per 100 patient years. And PsA, which has a lower prevalence of uveitis, is 0.1 100 patients years.
Now, why do you think it's different with the other 17?
Because it's blocking A and F.
And do you think F is important in the eyeball?
I suppose, but we don't have the proof for it. But it was to my surprise that the other drugs, which only block IL-17A, are not effective in reducing the uveitis recurrence rate, but this drug is.
And do you think it's selection bias because it's third 17 to the market? They purposely kept people out with a history of uveitis.
No, that's not true, because you can see here that all patients with PsA were included, and there are also different data of patients with a history of uveitis, so it's not true.
Okay, so there was no selection bias.
No.
And it was comprehensive across your entire clinical trial program.
So it's radiographic, non-radiographic, and PsA trials.
And I note Matthew Brown just published a meta-analysis of all the 17s in uveitis and came down quite firmly that there's Matt's name, that this is a...
He's co-author, by the way. So
that this is a positive study as far as rates are concerned.
Yes.
Anything else you could do to confirm this? Why don't you do a uveitis trial?
I'm not going to do that, but it's up to the company.
Sure. But do you think they will?
I'm not sure. I don't know. Perhaps they will. I'm not sure.
Because really only adalimumab has had a trial in uveitis.
That's right, and certolizumab.
And certolizumab.
So it's also, and we did many more studies, also with golimumab and other drugs. But that is only only in patients with PsA with high disease activity, and then the secondary outcome is uveitis recurrence rate. So it's done in several TNF inhibitors.
So it's very interesting, and I think we have to watch this space. Thank you very much.